Let's go!
Yeah. Siege. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
Boom! Ngayon, kakarating lang namin. Uy! Oops! Sa mga hindi na alam ko hindi nyo alam. Dito kami ngayon, papunta kami sa Kawasan Falls. Kasama ko yung mga katrabaho ko. Yun nga, Pakawasan Falls kami ngayon at to, kasama ko ang mga katrabaho ko. Taga saan ka to?
Apayaw.
Apayaw, Cabitinyo, tsaka Pampanga. Bicolano, Cavite.
It's a new day, make a change. If there's a will, there's a way. Take a chance, don't be afraid. All the world is just a stage. Remember, if you're scared to fall, in the end it's worth it all. Now it's time to set it off. This is your entrance song. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's get it on.
Pila entrance na? 45. 45. 45. 45. 45. 45. Tapos na kaming makapagbayad ng entrance.
45.
45. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go, let's do this. Bawal maligo ato boss kung kuan. Walay life jacket boss. Bawal maligo, walay life. Bawal dito sir. Tagpila sad na. Tara sir. Ha?
Ambak-ambak ito.
Tagpila?
50. Ang isa? 50, kalong
50 again. 50. 50.
Sinabi?
50. Ha? Doon, 75 doon. 50 again. 50. Ano, may life jacket na ba lahat? Pakita nyo nga.
Ready to attack?
Are you ready to fuck? No bad words on my vlog.
Oh,
You
I'm
know that?
sorry, my friend.
No.
I don't mean to say that, my friend.
Oh, it's okay. It's
Wala
okay.
kasama namin Nigerian national.
Okay.
Okay.
What's up here? It's my first time in the Philippines.
You don't know how to speak Filipino language?
Only a little bit.
A little bit. I will teach you a little bit. Say, what's up mga kang?
What's up, monkey? Is that right?
Nice.
Is that right?
It,
What?
ito ikaw ba mo?
Workmates.
Ha?
Workmates.
Nakarating din. Napakatuktok pala nito pero worth it naman yung paghirap, pag-akyat ba? Pasilip ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang Kawasan.
Gusto kita na mapasakin kahit na mali katabi ka ng matagal. At di lang ngayong gabi hiling ko sana'y matupad. Ako'y di na mapakali. Gawin natin lagi na kung nating sandali. Gusto
Guys, hindi po yun yung sinasabi kong Kawasan, hindi po yun. Ngayon naman mga green-minded, ito yun ito yun guys, akala ko yung Kawasan Falls, akala ko isa lang siya. Pero lahat ng nakita nyo kanina na nadaanan namin, part pala siya ng Kawasan din pala yon. Share ko lang. Tsaka guys, share ko lang sa inyo. Yung binyahe pala namin mula Cebu City hanggang dito is 3 hours? 3 hours tol or 4 hours? More than 3 hours. Share ko lang. Medyo malayo siya pero wala, kita nyo naman. Worth it yung biyahe tol, di ba? Di ba tol? Yeah. Ito ba yung one-liners eh? Di ba tol? Yeah! Mr. Apayao.
Hi guys, Mr. Apayao, former Mr. Apayao.
Oh, yun oh. Yun, ito naman yung tropa natin na isang Kapampangan.
Kamusta? Kamusta kayo dyan?
Nyam! Paano ba yun yung expression nyo?
Ha?
Expression?
Eme Kalansoy!
May kalansoy, ano yun?
Kainin mo daw.
So guys, parang ligaw-ligaw ka na ba?
Ready na.
Yung ligaw na ako Pagkatalon ko guys, nasa tubig na ako. Isang malupitang magic lang Vlog is live! Ano? Vlog is live guys!
Live! Pipintawin water!
Wala, hindi yan mababasa. Pinamitan ko yan ng teknik eh. Vlogger eh.
Aquaman!
Di ba mga
Labahan ka na Aquaman!
Di ba mga seaman kayo?
Oo!
Ano?
Bakit?
Ano? Ba't may mga life jacket kayo dyan?
Alisin na yan!
Safety first pala.
Safety first!
Higa! Hoy, higa! Line up! Hoy! Higa! Higa! Ganun! Sige! One! Oh na! Hoy, Lopez, sunod ha! Sunod ka, Lopez ha! Basta sunod tumba! 3, 2, 1, let's go!
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Hoy, dito na tayo lahat! Hoy! Dito! Dito ka, Jipoy! Dito na ako sa baba Oh, ganun lang. Wait lang. Patapusin nyo muna ako. Wait lang. No, I make vlog. I'm vlogging. Thank you. Say hi to my vlog.
Oh, ang isang katulad mo.
Facebook. Vlog, yes. YouTube. Where are you from, my friend?
Korea.
Korea.
Yeah.
Oppa.
오빠 사랑해.
What's this? Small heart.
Yeah, heart.
Heart. Small heart. Thank you. Hi, my friend. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
Well, you?
I'm vlogging. Oh,
vlogging?
yeah.
Okay,
I'm a new
YouTube.
vlogger. YouTube.
YouTube, okay.
Yes.
How many subscribers?
It's only 48. I'm a new
You're
vlogger.
popular, you're really popular.
Yeah.
You're gonna have another 3. In 5 minutes, you see, what's the channel?
Oh! Jaylan Rizabal vlog.
You need to write that down. Write it down.
Later.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day, my friend.
Filipino!
Wait lang. Oh, hi, my friend.
Hello, Philippines.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I came from, Pakistan. Indonesia. I was in Pakistan.
Oh, you're back.
Not really, but
You jump there, you jump.
I already did.
Oh, how was it is?
It is terrifying.
Terrifying?
Yes.
Are you terrified?
And I'm terrified.
Not anymore.
I'm a newbie vlogger.
This will come in YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. YouTube.
I want to be famous. How do I subscribe?
Subscribe to my channel at... Oh, bro, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, say hi to...
This is Greg from Pakistan. Din Kawasan.
Hi, Crush. Alam mo bang nasa Kawasan ako? Gusto mo punta ka Cebu? Sibuhay ko.
A few moments later.
Yun, no? Kainan time. Kahit konti lang ang pagkain, at least masaya. Wala kang background dyan, at least masaya. Yun, so kain muna kami kasi nakakagutom pala magbabad doon. Guys, may naisip akong plano. Teknik, isang malupitan teknik. Ipaprank ko yung mga kasamahan ko Dito lang sila sa gilid Ang daming mga foreigner doon. Tapos sasabihin ko sa kanila na may boobs. May nakita akong boobs. Pero hindi to scripted Ewan ko lang kung magsasucess. Pero try natin. Guys. Alin nga? Merong boobs. Diba may boobs? Meron nga. Totoo nga. Boobs. Boobs ba, boobs? Yan o. Yan o.
Mga bobo!
Ayan, di puta.